Igbo to so beto Igbo. Yeah, gini. Ekuji, I wanted to tell you that we are trying to organize. Okay, prepare for the. We are preparing. Okay, we have completed our preparation. Yeah, what Igbo? This social to a copy. So what you eat? Yeah, but you don't know that jaja. Wo. Ndigila ha bira so Igbo na jaja. Give me to Igbo na jaja. Excuse me. Oh, you know when I'm going to we don't know much from 2 to 10 years. You can learn a new language. And whatever corrections people make for you or to you can be taken and stored. Language is learned in the left hemisphere of the brain, not right hemisphere. When the child is that young, this left hemisphere is almost empty. I want to know if you have a tabula rasa or something like that. Then, only to be filled with information, with knowledge. So whatever you think that child, the child calls it. It's like you give me a phone number. I put it on my phone, 00-388-01-999. It is called, C-O-R-E-D, called. That's when the child calls the things you tell him to. So if the child crosses 10 years and there are no corrections based on the wrong things you fed him or her, it becomes a problem to remove. It becomes problematic. So when kids are around, watch what you say to them. They copy. They learn faster. Because they don't have responsibilities. They don't even have scruples. That's why they learn very fast at this age. They kind of like you and me, but I want to share you. Did I really hear? I read the word I'm warning you. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to about rice fortune. Rice fortune, bro. Another little. Like keep as or that. Na. Iji mat, guess your number. Each in your number gets a 00. But I'm going to say 0-0-288-01-999. Oh, let in your but a little. A young 00, a hang here. 388, a hang here. 01, a hang here. 999. So fluently, you know, 00-388-01-999. That's what it should be. Okay. Everybody Nkuja start. Injija will start. Okay, what saw me and started. Okay, what I'm Kuja. Akujaram makani yijaram. I started because you started me. Kachukumeziyoku. Because I see every single way here is give me your home koja. That's number 5. Every single way here is give me your home koja. Since you said you're not hiding anything, why did you see me and start? Why did you see me and shock? Why did you see me and I was frightened? And I am the doing I was frightened. Do you know Bibishi? You know mad. See, hey, nah, I'll be there. They say, okay, what can I kuja? I'm going on more. I could have gone to Benway. I was surprised in Benway. Operate day. But I'm an kuja. Bo. Start. In case see, where see. In case you see, Akujaram, Makani Yijaram, Kubulanka. And I started because he started me. That's what it should be. I started because he started me. That's it. I got the next number. Number 7. I was almost class in which the national anthem Nisi. Almost class in which the last national anthem Nisi. I want to keep one. You never can do your national anthem. No more classic. You could get a hatch of Chinese. Can they Yadro? Nigerian English, Gasigi. Omo class, which are the national anthem, Nisi. Nigerian English, I was saying, all my students know or carry the national anthem offhand, off head. That's bad English. Or by heart. Some class the national anthem by heart, meaning they have memorized it. Memorized. Where I want to memorize. They have memorized it. Class the national anthem, they have memorized it. So, off-head, the bad English, offhand is correct. In this context, it is wrong. Offhand means, I know I think I know how much, but I can't say offhand. What it was, if it was 10 or 20,000, I don't, but it was about that. It was the neighborhood of 20,000 or 40,000. So, I cannot say offhand means I cannot say without going to look, without preparation. Because I will say, offhand again, sudden or suddenly. He said, look, can I have some money? I said, no, well, I don't know. It is so offhand, I can't do it now. But it is so sudden. It is so offhand, you know? So, I have offhand, then off heart. I want to make it off heart. Offhand, then by heart. Learn it and know it by heart. That's one. I know it by heart. I can remember it at the time. I've memorized it. Can you tell me what happened? Say, I cannot say offhand how it happened. Meaning, without going to ask or find out or, ask questions. Okay. Number 8, where's see? In Achomoku. Number 8, see? In Achomoku. Nigerian English, where's see? You are looking for my trouble. That's bad English. You are looking for my trouble. Or you are asking for my trouble. Mba. Trouble abron kigi. Instead, you say, you are asking for trouble. That's British English. You are asking for trouble. Are you asking for trouble? In Achomoku? Look, you are asking for trouble. Mom, Jennifer is asking for trouble. No, Mom, Jennifer is looking for my trouble. Mba. I said, Janet. Mom, Janet is looking for my trouble. No. This man is looking for my trouble. No. This man is asking for trouble. Correct. And you're on number 8. Now say, in Achomoku. Igbo, na Bekee, Ogabo. Email transliteration. You are looking for my trouble, dying. But Ogabo, you are asking for trouble. That's the grammatical equivalent. The grammatical equivalent of Igbo is so to English. In Achomoku, you are asking for trouble. You are what you call for. You get what you ask for. Okay. Nke ito nani. Number 9 wesi. Etiekwala ọnụ gị n'okwu a. Mụ na mmadụ na-ekwu okwu gị tie ọnụ gị. Nsị gị tie ọnụ gị n'okwu a. Don't put your mouth. Onye gasị. Nigerian English gasị gị, don't put your mouth. So don't put your mouth on a transliteration. Don't put your mouth no. Agabo. ụzọ ele ka ekesi dị na akwụkwọ ebe a. Nke mbụ sị don't barge in. Barge, B-A-R-G-E. To barge into a conversation means to tinye ọnụ gị n'ihe gbasara gị. You can barge into a room. So what can you barge into my room like that? Are you crazy? Like, get out! Mmadụ na-aba na-ekwu okwu agbasara gị gị tinye ọnụ gị. You are barging in. Or you are interfering. You are interfering. You don't interfere. You interfere. Okay, etere ọnụ gị n'okwu a. Emere na-achọ okwu. Do you know you're interfering? Stop barging into our conversation. Stop interfering in our conversation. Stop interrupting our conversation. In fact, I'm not saying you're interrupting. When I see you are interfering or this strong. Okay, so I got to ask the mother, don't put your mouth in back. See, don't interfere, don't. Okay, there's a beautiful one there. I don't know, do you mind? When I'm with you, I'm going to say, come on, stop talking to us, stop barging in, stop interfering. I simply say, do you mind? Do you mind? I said, do you mind? I said, do you mind shutting up? I had a tragedy. Do you mind shutting up? I said, do you mind? Of course, about go and go on. I'm Igbo. Okay. I got a kiri. Biari, ha ha ha. Ebelebe bunanka. Biari, na beke. Aga how? Okay. Only I said, come chop. Right? My pidgin English. Yeah, bad English. Aga Otash Juya Babu. Biari. Egazonia. Gazonia, you can say, come and dine with us and say thank you. Come quick and Nigeria, thank you. We said thank you. He would not say thank you when the here. But then you're wrong. You want to say is you want to eat. So once I said come and dine with me, say thank you. It means you want to eat. But if you don't want to eat, say no, thank you. No means I don't want to eat. Thank you means for being graceful, or sort of gracious, for being good, for being kind. You say, I don't need when I'm actually here. Dalo, bo, maka afoma, maka onye wara afoma, na somebody behind here. All mother has somebody behind here. On the wara afoma. Our brother. So kosiata maybe thank you you be give them morale e kuru you could ba this thank you I wasn't a gas and thank you I said please can I thank you thank you thank you until you